This carousel is getting 98% more engagement than any other on similar Instagram accounts. And all it took to find that out was one prompt with Claude. I finally have a straight answer to whether my Instagram numbers are good and what to fix first to keep them moving in the right direction. All I needed was Claude, Metricool, and a skill that scores your reach, engagement rate, and your posting frequency against our Instagram study. And then it hands you exactly what to work on first. I'll show you how to do it. Once your Instagram account is connected to Metricool, connect Metricool's MCP to Claude and add the benchmark skill. Then you just type /benchmark. It starts by checking which accounts you have connected and asks you which one you want it to study with a time range that you prefer. In this case, I'm okay with 30 days. From there, it sorts you into a size group, small, medium, big, or huge, and compares you to similar accounts. The report breaks down format by format, and each section opens with a straight call, above average, below average, or on track. So that way you know where to look before you even read a number. Then comes the table. The numbers, the benchmark of accounts, your size, and the difference between those two. That way, you're not left wondering whether if 3,000 on reach is good or not. You can see it against what similar accounts are getting and decide what's worth acting on. On our account, for example, carousels come out ahead on saves and interactions. Reels hold up on engagement but fall behind on reach. And stories show us the biggest gap on replies. And that's the kind of read you get for every format you post in, not on one average score. So you know exactly where you're ahead, where you're behind, and against who. And this is where the skill goes further than a simple report. It doesn't just flag your weak spots. It also hints you what to do about each one. Better posting time for the Reels reach gap, story ideas for the reply gap, and also a way to repeat that top performing carousel on purpose instead of just waiting for it to happen again. And once you've read the format by format breakdown, Claude can go one step further and turn it into action for you. It can also draft story prompts to close that gap that you have created, pull your best posting time so you can post on those days or hours, or even turn the whole benchmark into a branded carousel for your own feed. And this works for any Instagram account you have connected to Metricool. And you can run it on your own the same way I just did. Connect your account, ask Claude to benchmark it, and get numbers that actually mean something. And if you want to take this further, check out a video where Claude builds out reports for you, linked right here and in the description. And as always, let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to respond to them. See you in the next one, Metricooler.